You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, driver attention alert system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, front bucket seats.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.